By the end of this review, you're going to know everything you need to know about Traffic Wave Generator, a very, very cool tool, a very, very cool software. You're going to get a full demo. You'll get a full list of the bonuses I'm going to include. Check it out.
Now, this is a traffic software and content creator all in one. It's going to be able to generate content for you for the next 30 days, scheduled based on any URL and content and keyword that you have in place. Let me show you how our software works, the power of it, and what people can do with it. This is a software that actually drives real traffic over to your offers, your e-com stores, your blogs, your offers, your Amazon products, your Amazon affiliate products. This is amazing. So let's get started. First of all, the way that this works is that you connect your account to this software. Your account meaning Pinterest. Pinterest has 459 million daily users. It's a huge platform, and we are generating thousands of dollars for our clients and for ourselves using the traffic source that we're using. Now we're going to show you the magic of how our software works. So let's say we wanted to go out and find what's working right now. Who's promoting what at specific things. So let's say I'm searching for woodworking. It's an offer that's being sold on ClickBank, etc. I come here and I can see that all these are possible affiliates. This is an Amazon affiliate. This is a ClickBank affiliate. And then I can go in and see what they're promoting, how they're promoting, what they're promoting. And they've got images, they've got videos, they've got all these other things. And then you can see that there's also various other pins and stuff. And you can see these types of pins and all that. All right. Now I'm showing you this because now I'm doing a little bit of spying. I'm also looking at what their landers are, etc. Okay, so I get, or if they're doing direct linking, you can see it's taking them over to the offer. I can see you can see that all these are direct links, and they've got them on Pinterest. Okay, so I'm seeing exactly what they're doing. I'm spying on their pages, how they're promoting, and getting ideas, etc. Now, the idea behind this is to create pins and direct users to your offers. Okay, that's the idea. And we created our software in order to do that for you automatically. So once we set up our account, then we can go out and create our wave campaigns. And the wave campaigns is basically going out and getting a campaign. So let's say I want to promote this woodworking offer. So I'll come to, like, for example, ClickBank, which is an affiliate platform, look for the woodworking offer. Okay, and there's all these Ted's Woodworking, and this is what we want, Ted's Woodworking. Okay, take my links. Okay, I'm gonna track it. For example, I'm a Pinterest. Okay, and then copy and copy my link. Okay, so this is my link. All right, and if I come down, I'm gonna put that link somewhere. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it for now. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna tell my software that I want for it to create 30 days of 10 pins a day. Okay. And I wanted to go out and find images that we've got a built-in system that is part of the training and everything. And then let's say I wanted to put my keywords. Okay. I've added my keywords. I'm going to woodworking projects, woodworking plans, stuff like that. Okay. I'm going to use my Pinterest account, one of my Pinterest accounts. I'm going to choose the boards that I created. Okay, this is all part of the training that I'm gonna have inside. And then the beautiful thing is that I can come here and say like woodworking. Okay, I can take the URL of the actual affiliate link that I have. Okay, so I'm basically going into the offer, taking the URL, the final URL of this offer, and I'm putting it in here. And the reason why is because then I can have ChatGPT, our built-in AI, actually create some plans. It's creating putting some text as well. And it's going to create titles and descriptions, but that's just titles and descriptions, unique for 30 days worth. But let's put that to the side. That's not the magic. This is easy stuff. The magic is the actual creation of your pins directly using whatever you put in as keywords and stuff. Okay, so let's continue by putting the same stuff, and ChatGPT will create all these titles and descriptions. Okay, and then here I'm going to go ahead and put my affiliate links. Now we've seen in the search, the search thing, that other competitors are actually doing direct linking. So you could too. Now it's not going by exactly Pinterest policies, but we do have training inside to show you how you're going to be promoting them properly, but you can do this as well. Okay. So from here, we can choose our templates that we have for you inside. Okay. So we have some templates that are already built in. And you can also do some text templates that builds up your template settings for your pins. When they go out, it's built in with SEO, so you can be ranked as well on Pinterest, so you can get a lot of views, impressions, engagements, clicks, and all that beautiful stuff that we created with this magic button software. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. Now this is working in the back end. It's actually creating stuff for me. I'm going to let it run for a bit, and when I come back and it's finished, I'm going to show you the magic behind it and what it's done for me. So by the time it finishes up, let me go show you an example of what it's done for maybe something else that I've created. Okay. So basically, it will go out and create the different types of stuff that has to do with your niche. Okay. So it creates, based on the templates that we have, takes out titles, okay, like it's built up the titles, the descriptions, and it also adds them on the images itself that has to do with your actual campaign. Okay, so this all builds, and it's set up so that you can actually push content out there on your accounts. So all these will be pushed over into your Pinterest account, scheduled 10 pins a day for the next 10 pins a day for the next 30 days, for example, how you want it to be. The way that this works is that we export this information that we've just created for you, and we import it inside your Pinterest account, and it schedules it and posts it on Autopilot. You don't ever need to create anything ever again for Pinterest. This is one of the best softwares to drive you engaging traffic, targeted traffic over to your whatever you're doing, e-com stores, blogs, YouTube channels, your digital offers. If you're an affiliate marketer, this is one of the best tools you're going to be using.
All right, first things first, I want to show you how you can get the all the OTOs for one price, like 50% off, I think. You can unlock the full experience where you get every single OTO I'm about to show you for $247 right here on the front end sales page. So don't miss that. If you're looking to get any of the OTOs, I highly recommend you get this one. There's all kinds of good stuff. There's done for you stuff in here, as you'll see. So let's actually jump into the OTOs. So elevate your digital marketing game with Traffic Wave Generator done for you. This is the done for you piece. That's going to be OTO 1. Done for you is a great selection anytime you're getting something with software that's going to drive traffic where somebody else can just set the whole thing up for you. This is going to be the Amazon Associates Pro upgrade. This is like showing you how to actually do your Amazon Associates and then automating a lot of it for you. So if you're doing Amazon, this would be the one you'd want. New templates every month for more accounts, more done for you. So this is like a recurring subscription piece of it. So if you don't mind recurring and you want the actual content like done for you, that's a good one. This is going to be unlock the full business potential with the agency upgrade. You can see this one on its own is $197, and all of them together, if you just get the front end, is only $297. So yeah, some really good upgrades in there. And yeah, I just wanted to show you those. Let's hop into my bonuses. Time for the bonuses. The Traffic Wave Generator bonuses are going to help you, and they are actually relevant. Most of the bonuses that you get out there are not going to be relevant. They're totally irrelevant. They're not specific to the product. They're just random 20 bonuses on a list that will just gather dust. My bonuses are about actually getting you there faster with this product. So with these, you'll be ahead of everybody else. Bonus number one is going to be a traffic wave generator accelerator. This is a full ebook that can help you use Pinterest to get results faster. Then I'm going to give you top 5 niches to go after with the actual generator, a Geberator there. But the generator, I'm going to give you my personal top 5 niches that work well on Pinterest. Massively underused traffic source, by the way. And these are the top 5 niches on Pinterest, in my opinion. These are the ones I'm going to be going after. There's not really very much competition on these, so this will help you if you don't know exactly what niche you're going to go after. Then for bonus number 3, I'm going to give you the ultimate cheat sheet, amplify your Pinterest affiliate marketing. This is just a bonus to show you how to navigate and optimize your actual Pinterest profile from the beginning. It's going to get you more traffic, it will get you more authority, and it will help you get there more quickly. How you're going to redeem these is that I do want to provide the best bonus package every time possible to complement the product. In this case, that's going to be Traffic Wave Generator. I want to make sure you're getting the best value for your money. And with my bonuses, with these free bonuses, I know that you're going to. All I ask for you to get these is to invest in the main product and then just any one of the OTOs. I highly recommend you get the bundle, the $297, but yeah, you're going to receive the bonuses auto delivered to you when you do that. It's a completely new method. It does use AI inside. It's super simple to implement. Anybody can do it. AI is built into it. You saw that in the demo. Everything's 100% newbie friendly. No tech skills required. You don't need a budget, experience, any of that stuff. The method you're going to use is something totally new. And because this system is A to Z system, works so fast, you can quickly go from 0 to daily revenue. Stop buying all those shiny objects that are going to get you nowhere. Do yourself a favor. Get my bonuses today. Click the button. Let's get started.